Good morning, students. The topic we are going to discuss is binary search. Last class we have discussed about linear search and what do you mean by searching, etc. In linear search, the elements are searched sequentially, that is one after the other. Okay. So now today we are going to discuss with binary search. So what is binary search means? Search a sorted array by repeatedly dividing the searching interval in half. Okay, that is, you have to begin with an interval covering the whole array. If the value of search key is less than the item in the middle of the interval, then you can narrow the interval to the lower half. If the value of the searching key is greater than the item in the middle of the interval, then you have to narrow the interval to the upper half. So this process is repeated until the element is found or the interval is empty. Okay, so here the important condition is the elements in the array must be sorted. Okay, it should be a sorted array. So see the example. In our example, we have an array which consisting of the elements 2, 5, 8, 12, 16, 23, 38, 56, 72, 91. See, all the elements are in ascending order. Okay, they are sorted. So if the elements are in sorted, then only you can apply binary search algorithm. Okay. So first we have to find out the middle element. The middle element is 16. So we have to compare our searching element with 16. So what is our searching element? It is 23. So 23 is greater than 16, which indicates that okay, our searching element may be in right of. Okay, so there is no possibility for the value 23 in left of. Okay, so no need to search for the elements in left of. Okay, that's why the elements 2, 5, 8, 12, 16 are shaded. Okay, so we have to check 23 only in the right of. So how can you perform the searching operation? You have to set the low as middle plus 1 and highest as usual the last element. Again you have to find out the middle element. So our middle element is 56. Our searching element is 23. So we can assure that the element 23 may be in lower half. It should not be in upper half. So you have to shade all the upper half elements, that is 56, 72, 91. That is, you are making high value as middle minus 1. Okay. So now again we are finding out the middle value and we are searching for the element 23. Since 23 is matched, you can return its index position. Okay. So like that, the binary search is performed in a sorted array. We basically ignore half of the elements just after one comparison. So what is the procedure? Once again I am repeating. So you have to compare our searching element x with the middle element. If the searching element x matches with the middle element, then you can return the index position. If the searching element is greater than the middle element, then x can only lie in right of, that is after the middle element. So again the same procedure is repeated for right of. If the searching element is smaller than the middle element, then x can only lie in left of, that is before the middle element. So we repeat for left of. We are repeating the same steps for left of. Okay. So this is the algorithm for binary search. Okay. We will see another one example. So consider we have a sorted array. The elements are 10, 14, 19, 26, 27, 31, 33, 35, 42, 44. Okay. We are searching for the value 31. So what is my first step? I have to find out the middle value. So the formula for middle is low plus high minus low by 2. So the low value is 0, high value is 9. Okay. After applying these values, we get the middle value as 4.5. You have to round it to 4. Okay, so 4 is my middle value. Okay, so my middle value is 27. Once the middle value is found, you have to compare the searching element with the middle element. So our searching element is 31 and the middle element is 27. Since the searching element is greater than 27, you have to narrow the search to right of. Okay, you don't need to check it for the element. So you have to check it. You don't need to check for the searching element in the left of. That's why the left hand elements are shaded. That is 10, 14, 19, 26, 27. All these values are shaded. We are going to search for the element 31 only in the right of. So to make a search, you have to make the low value as mid plus 1. Okay. And again you have to find out the middle value. So what is the formula for middle value? It is low plus high minus low by 2. So now low value is changed. It is middle plus 1. So previously we get the middle value was 4. So it is now 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Plus high value, no change, 9 minus 5 by 2. So we get the middle element as 7. Okay, so 7 is the new middle element. So again you have to compare the middle element with our searching element. Okay, the element at position at index 7 is 35. So 35 is compared with 31. Okay, the searching element is compared with 35. Since the searching element is less than the middle element, you have to narrow the search for the left half of the array. That is, the right hand side of the elements need not be searched. They are shaded. Okay, that is, you can shade 35, 42, 44. Okay, you have to go and make a search only in the left half. That is, now only we have two elements, 31 and 33. Okay, so here the high value is changed to middle minus 1. Okay, so what about the high value? It is middle minus 1. The middle value is 7. So the new high value becomes 6. And the low value is no change in low value. So it is 5. So we are using the same value 5. And we calculated the middle value. It is 5.5 and it is rounded to 5. Okay. So this is our middle element. So it is checked with our target element. Okay. So since the target element is matched with the middle element, we find that it is a match. And we conclude that the target value 31 is stored at the location 5. Okay. So this is what happening in binary search. So in the worst case, it needs order of log n comparisons. Okay, binary search requires order of log n comparison in the worst case, where n is the number of elements in the array. So once again, what is binary search? It is one type of searching process. Okay, we have two types of searching, linear and the other one is binary. In linear search, all the elements are searched sequentially, that is one element after the other, whereas in binary search, okay, we are finding the middle element. Our searching element is compared with the middle element. If the searching element is greater than the middle element, then you can search only in the right of the left half is omitted. You can ignore the left half elements. If the searching element is less than the middle element, then you have to make a search in the left half. You can ignore the right half. So this process is repeated. So thank you all.